Can you tell any one of you? Yes. Come. Yeah, come here and tell me what was there in the session today. No problem. It's audible. It's audible, right? Yes. Okay, tell me what was taught.
We taught about Hadoop and how they use everything in big data in dynamic.
You are aware of big data? What is big data?
Huge
Huge amount of data is big data?
Yeah, more than petabytes.
Okay. Is it only collection of data is its job or something else?
No,
Storing big data is the job.
no, it's not like only storing. How can you store big data?
Then tell me what is the function of it and why it is more frequently talked about?
No, because nowadays more and more we are using social networking, more and more social networking, and we generate more and more data. As we speak, there is more and more generating.
Okay.
So what happens is how it should be handled. That is where these people come.
Yeah. So handling big data is what is to be understood.
Yes.
People
How
feel
do you
like
use
how it will be
social
stored.
networking? Yes.
It's more than storing. How do you use
Retrieve.
it? So where all it is used?
From social networking, even for colleges also, when you go for 20 years, 30 years, you can also use big data.
Then other major areas.
Social networking is the main thing. What you think?
What would be more, where you have more data, like in which profession you'll be having more data handling?
In this profession is banks.
Banks?
And then where there is more commerce, big companies, where they'll have like 15 years, 20 years of records for everything. Company, like for example, people.
So okay, what is, handling data means you can give some program and make use of the data to do certain things. But is that the only aim or it also protects you from certain things?
No, we didn't talk about security.
I have seen many applications of big data, especially in the credit cards and all. I have seen that their fraud things can be limited using this big data analytics, right? So we will be complaining now when we get the bill. I did not use my credit card. I was not all in station. I was doing some other work. So we will be rejecting payments actually. No, I will not pay for this particular time. I have heard that this big data analytics will help you to limit the fraud. How it does? Can you just brief about like how that works?
Credit card.
Yeah, in credit card, how they are able to limit the frauds?
So, that's what I don't know. Credit card. We are developing a data section, Bejan, Flipkart. They are not developing projects in that.
Okay. What did you speak about big data?
So, what my intention, how to get such type of user interface. So, what are the different factors? First, I don't know. Once big data, so how to get nowadays we are getting that user interface. So, different factors there. Network commerce, e-commerce sector, like Amazon, Flipkart. But Facebook is
Because they're always online in Facebook.
Facebook is the first man. 500 terabytes of data per day.
But they are all not very useful data, right?
Ma'am, it can be useful if you make it that way.
What you're chatting and all will be useful or not?
Ma'am, everyone is chatting, ma'am.
No. In financial
Even
sectors
box is
or
useful,
in
ma'am.
government sectors, education sectors, all those areas, the data is very precious. Customer data, if a bank has all the data, they are all very precious. You need to handle it properly. So there, the big
Even when
data
the flood came, they have to handle it
application
properly.
is very essential. Do you have it in the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Big data is there in a syllabus? No.
No, from last night we are just hearing about data only because today we have data warehousing and data mining.
So data is what you are there to protect data. So you need to learn about data, right? So come here, you give your experience. Come fast. Come here.
Ma'am, best friend can read their minds, so it's all the same.
Yeah. They can read opposite way also. No? Your friend, especially, he will read you in the opposite way.
Okay, come on.
Tell me, what did you learn from this session?
Same thing, ma'am. First of all, just we came that big data is going to be there. Especially big data, first time I heard about it in SSN college, ma'am. final year means paper presentation was going there. So ma'am, we both at that time only.
Bunk
Now
college.
not there. I joined as
Yeah, that is bunking college.
So ma'am, first time I just heard about that big data. So at that time, I asked him what is big data. So he okay. So at that time, the girl means presented the whole topic. Then a professor ma'am there, she told that what is big data. She also asked her. She told no, ma'am, big data. What means lots of data. Everyone is what lots of data. Can you define the size? So she told ma'am maybe 10 terabyte. Then the professor replied, even 100 terabyte is also not considered as
Big data.
big data. Then
You are not petabytes also not considered as big data.
same thing today also the Hadoop, what are the features and how we are using means mostly I think after 20 and 30 years it will be common between for us also.
After 30 years, you should only read big data, no database.
No database.
So how to handle big data
New
here?
technology is coming there. Next Spark will coming. So 10 times faster than big data. Next technology is Spark. It's coming soon, very fast. But nowadays our companies are using big data. After 10 years,
Where all you have opportunities if they know how to handle it?
big data. So much opportunity. Nowadays we are getting huge amount. So data will be nowadays huge amount of now. So to handle knows, so much companies are asking big data. That's some experience they ask.
So when will you teach them how to handle big data?
Raju wish anytime I am ready.
So will you be interested? Yes. See, they are all latest. If you are aware of that, like you can learn from there. At least some basics you should know about.
So basic, you will spend any classes, some knowledge. So how to handle. So pseudo distribution mode we can maintain. Pseudo distribution means not cluster mode. So set of missions connect. This is a real time cluster of missions we are connecting. Pseudo distribution means that I am told what are the services we are running background, 5 services. That running total in one system means that is pseudo distribution. So the real time one service, name node service, job tracker service will maintain different missions because they are highly good hardware, not cheap hardware. Because why? Already told that name node fields entire cluster will be inaccessible. We can't do anything. So job tracker also done same single point of failure. Yes, job tracker also we maintain total high level hardware. Both are the company's real time. So both are high level hardware. Remaining things are cheap hardware. So what my intention is